Hello and welcome to a short video on how I made my Jessie Team Rocket cosplay. So starting off with the Pokeball props, the main materials I used were these craft semicircles, red acrylic paint, and then I also had some magnets and craft foam. So for the first part of these props, I just used this cheap craft acrylic paint and I painted half of the semicircles red. Here's a nice overview of them. Then I cut out all the foam pieces and then I went to work just hot gluing everything together. This was by far the most tedious part of the project because my hot glue was super stringy, but basically I hot glued the red semicircles together and then wrapped the black strips of foam around the parts where they met, and then I added the white circles of foam. Then I hot glued these tiny magnets to the backs of the Pokeballs so that they would attach to a belt. And I just repeated this process 6 times, so I had a total of 6 Pokeball props. And for this project, I was crunching a little bit because I decided to bring Jessie to a local convention, and I had the idea for this magnetic Pokeball prop so that I could just walk around a convention center and pull off the Pokeballs whenever I wanted to take photos with them. Also, I'm fully aware that I could have just bought plastic Pokeballs, but I thought it would be fun to make these. They're definitely not the sturdiest, but for a quick prop, I do really like how they turned out. And so here are the Pokeballs all done. Don't they look nice? I also hot glued the magnets to this belt. I just got it from Goodwill, super cheap, and it honestly worked perfectly. Here is the finished product of the Pokeballs and the belt. So the next part of this project was the iconic Team Rocket shirt. I had a turtleneck that had shrunk in the wash, so I decided to repurpose that into this project. Here I am marking and cutting the fabric so it's a little more cropped on me, a little closer to what Jessie looks like in Pokemon, and then I just tried it on, thought it looked great. Then I penciled in where I wanted the Team Rocket R to be on the shirt. I used puffy paint for this, and I just went in with a paintbrush and I painted in the R. You can see I'm very focused on making sure it looks perfect. And here is the finished product of the shirt, and here's the full cosplay put together. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. Okay, bye!
Do you think men deserve rights?
Bing bang.
You heard him! Bing bang!